Okay, so let's continue. Now, what next? Yeah, let's look at the TR analysis sheet. Okay, so let's look at this. So I don't want to waste my time here. As we did in the previous one, we are going to have already done this, so I'll go and copy it from there and then use it. I'm copying it, this one. So you pause the video and then you look on it and then arrange it as it is. So Control C to copy and Control V to paste. After pasting, you look at this side where you have this. I will click on it and then you select keep source column like this. Okay. Then let's edit it. So we have the serial number, the name of student, class, section, number of row, term, attendance, total attendance, English class score, exam score, total score, position in subject, grade, remarks, math score, math class score, math English, exam score, then the total like that. So grading and then remarks. Then you go to science, the same thing, grading and remarks, social, RME, computing, like that. So you do it for all the subjects. All the subjects. Okay. And the head teacher's remark, class teacher remark, conduct, then the grading. This is the grading for English, math, science, social, RME, computing, then the rest like that. Then the grade and then the year. So that's how it look like. So you can pause it and then you look on it and design it as we did for the teachers detail. So it's the same format as we did for this one, right? Okay, now let's look at the master list also. That one too, I will not waste my time. I will go and copy it and paste it. Okay, so we are done with the master list. Let's come back to the teacher's analysis sheet and then add a button to there. Okay, so I'm going to copy this button. I'll copy it and then paste it here. Okay, so that when we click on it, it will send it back to the dashboard. Okay, so now that we are done with the master list and then the tier analysis, let's do something on the class list. The class list, we have to do something the number of row, yes, here. We have to merge all these cells. We are going to merge all these cells. So you click here, you press your shift control and then the down arrow key. Good. And then you go to format. You click on format, merge and center. Merge and center. Then you increase the font size. Then you change the font also. So let's enter a figure and see. Okay. Let's bring it. Sorry. Let's bring it up. Where has it moved to? Okay, let's bring it up like this. Okay. So the number of row, anytime we enter a name, then it will count them here for us, right? Okay. So now what next? Let's look at the attendance sheet also. The student attendance sheet. I've already created it, so I will just go and copy it and then paste it here. I will link it in the description. So I will link the attendance sheet in the description for you to use it when you are doing your own. So this is the attendance sheet. So I'll copy from here. So Control C to copy, then Control V to paste. Then you keep source column so that it will look like the same thing, right? Okay. So this is the serial number. Let's give it a color. So this week 1, let's change the font color to white and then Let me change the font size. Sorry, the font rather. Let's maintain it that way. Okay, so let's look at the down one also. Let's copy the down. So we go back to the attendance sheet and then we are going to copy from here, the down here. So Control C to copy. Then we paste it. Okay, so this place is going to cater for the number of attendance, the number of boys, attendance of boys, then that of girls, right? So now let's select the whole cell. Okay, and then we give it all borders. Let's select all borders. Right. Okay. Okay, so this side will take care of the weekly attendance. So the number of days that when you mark the attendance, the number of days, the number of students or learners who were in school that very day will tally the number here. So you get the number. If it's 10 people, you see them there. Let's see, Monday, all the boys were in school and they are 40. The 40 will appear here. And then at the end of the week, it will give you the total, right? And then at the end of the term, this is where you get your total. Okay, so let's end here and then continue another time.